Hi everybody, this is Leo's Tech and Lifestyle. Today we're going to be replacing this old-fashioned deadbolt with a Wyze lock. Let's get to it. Mostly you will need only a Phillips screwdriver. And according to the instructions, you shouldn't need more than 15 minutes to get it installed. I'm telling you that this assembly takes the longest time, and afterwards it should be all downhill from that point. This will be a two-part video, of course, because you need to also connect it to your Wi-Fi and pair the lock with a Bluetooth bridge, which I will show you in a second video after the installation. I'm leaving my original lock, which is on the outside of the door, just removing this piece. Let's see what's inside the box. We're going to need the lock, four batteries, the adapters, and the lock itself. Yes. Just continue recording. You're my little assistant today.
Yep. Can you introduce me at the end?
Sure.
Okay, because I'm not gonna. I don't want them to see my face, so.
Okay.
I just want you to just say. Just say Alicia is recording. Okay?
The front cover pops off, so you can put in the batteries, two on one side, two on the other. For now, I'm going to put it in my pocket and set it aside. Let's figure out which adapter is necessary for this.
This whole fingers are hurting my fingers already. So that's why I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, how I hold the old flashlight.
You're funny.
Yeah, it's hurting me really.
They point everything in the right direction so you can not worry and install it. It says up over here. It will match up to the lock, which will fit into these two spots. Three different adapters. Most locks will probably fall into the square adapter style. So let's test it out. Yes, that works. That works just fine.
So, how does it work?
Good question. You have to have a matching locking mechanism, and you have to put it on correctly. So let's. Hey everybody, here's an update. Finally finished installing this lock. Ran into some difficulties. The screws which came with the original lock, okay, were 2.5 inch long, 10-32 size. They're regular American standard screws, and I had to change them in a hardware store to 10-32 2-inch screws in order for them to fit. My little helper over here, hi, she was here with me through the whole time. Now let me show you how this thing locks itself, and I'm holding the keys right here. Boom, it's locked. Even though the bottom lock is open, the lock is closed. My little assistant, I don't think she can open it, but it's okay. Once I set it up with Google or Alexa, it will work. Here, I'll unlock it. It still works with the original key. Boom. Once again, I'm going to lock it. Boom. Locked. Nobody's getting in. Now I noticed in the settings you can set up as arrival, but nah. I'm going to set up my smart things and keep it at to work with this. So far, impressions are pretty good. Just the instructions need to be a little bit more clear, that you might need to modify the exact screw for holding the mechanism. That's it.